Now, let us see what we are going to learn. Can you imagine a vending machine which can draft and send an email when any of its slot is almost empty? Just imagine how easy this will be when a machine is going to communicate with you. It means we will learn how this capability can be embedded in any machine or a project in this course. This IoT course has been created by the researchers with 10 years of experience in this field. In this course, content is started with very basics to the advanced level. This course can guide a learner to inculcate professional coding skills for IoT because product level codes will be discussed in this course. In our first exercise, we will do some magic where we will see how our device, that is NodeMCU, will log into a Gmail account, draft an email and send it to an email ID we want. This magic can be possible just by writing some line of codes. Now go to the next video for exercise.